Hey everybody, welcome back to another Think tutorial video. My name is Vince, and on today's episode, we're going to be talking through how to turn Instagram from light mode to dark mode on your iOS device. Now, the one thing to note up front is this is not actually a setting inside of Instagram, but yet it's the setting on your actual phone that when you toggle between light and dark mode, the app will actually inherit that setting. Meaning we need to go into your phone settings, change it to dark mode, and then that way it will automatically be updated inside of Instagram. Now there's two different ways to do this. The first and easiest way is if you actually open the control center on your phone. Depending on the model, it's either swiping up or swiping down, but once in your control center, you'll see in the middle of the screen the brightness slider. If you actually press on the brightness slider, what it will bring up is some options down on the bottom of the screen, and the one here on the left is actually called dark mode. And this is where you can toggle this on or off. If I flip it to on, now you'll see the screen has changed a little bit darker. If I get out of the control center and swipe that back down, now you will notice Instagram is in the dark mode. And when you scroll through, all of the settings are updated. Now, if you don't have control center swipeable and you want to go straight into the settings, I can show you where that's at as well. From the main settings screen that you're seeing here, is what we want to do is look for the one called display and brightness. Now you'll notice it's in the third section down. It's the third option of the third section, and we will click on display and brightness, and right here on the main screen is where you have the option to toggle between light and dark. This will work the exact same way as it did inside the control center, and this will let you change it to the dark mode, and Instagram will automatically be updated. Thank you so much everybody for making it to the end of this short video. We hope this helps. If there's any other questions you have, please leave them down in the comment section below. And as always, if there's any other ideas you would love to see a tutorial on, leave those there also. As always, we hope you have a great day and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.